If you do not understand why your generated image doesn't look like that you think it would to look, and gets frustrated finding perfect prompts to create awesome and professional level images using Midjourney, so you are at right spot. Today I am going to show you an awesome helper AI tool which will help you in creation of good prompts for Midjourney. Name of this website is prompt.noonshot.com. So just type in search bar and go on to the website. On first visit you will see a big box to write the basics of your prompts. Like I have done. I want a portrait of a cat in style of Joker. So the prompt is ready, just copy this and paste it on Midjourney. Here comes our first generated image. But it's good, not up to marks. So let's tweak the prompt. I want some lightings, nice background, etc. So let's back to prompt helper. Down below this box you see various options. I will explain each of these, don't worry. First is style, where you can use style according to your need. I am choosing 3 styles. You can choose as many you want. Now let's use this prompt to create image. So here is our another generated image. As you can see in the generated image, I like this one, but in this the lighting is not good, so now I will create new prompt using the lightning setting. I am choosing 3, you can choose as many as you want according to your needs. Now our prompts with light settings add-on created. Let's try this on Midjourney. I don't understand where did my cat go, but the lighting and colors in this image are so amazing. Now let's tweak some more settings. In this setting you can choose the camera and lens for your prompts. Like if you want a wide angle shot you can choose wide angle lens. For 360 photos you choose 360 panorama. I am using simple DSLR. Now we use the artist setting to make our art looks like similar to the art that specific artist creates, so choose the artists you want to make your art look like. From color setting, you can simply choose the color pattern you like in your image. By using materials names, the prompts can give the AI a clear idea of the physical properties and characteristics of the material in question, which can help guide its creative output. In addition, using materials names and prompts can also help to focus the AI's attention on specific industries or applications where those materials are commonly used. For example, a prompt that includes the material name, carbon fiber, may be more likely to result in ideas and designs related to the aerospace or automotive industries, where carbon fiber is a popular and highly valued material. Now the other settings are very common, like size, quality, chaos, and if you have watched my previous videos you have known. And if you want you can upload your image for some inspiration, so this tool will automatically make the link for this image in prompts. So cool, no need for sending to Discord server then copying the link. Finally you can choose the negative prompts in the last text box. But there is problem, sometimes you will get the perfect image, but sometime you have to do some little changes in the prompts. Like you can write the same generated prompt without this 2 semicolons, so you will get desired results, so make sure to try this if want change in your AI arts. Thank you, subscribe if you like my videos.